That means I'm the coolest producer.
Okay.
Ngizwa abantu abaningi bethi umuzi ingoma lana wancedwa uMake Mtasa. Because there are too many producers here in Victoria Falls. Why can't they produce something?
Hi everyone, my name is Privilege Mamvra, aka Mom Uriela Akuzwe. Today in the studio, we are having the man of the moment, someone who is special, someone who is giving the whole thing when it comes to music, who goes by the name Lil Mozi the God. How he love him to tell us about himself. What inspired him to do the music thing? Hand over to you, sir.
Okay, siswake igama lami nguLil Mozi God. Umfana kaMoyo, one and the only one akekho omunye ofana nami.
Oh yeah. Because Murukopisa, you're having the hit songs and all that. And you look very young to me. So I would love to know, how long have you been doing this music thing? Today it's all about music. We interview you about the drama, but today the most thing that we know you about is music.
Yeah.
Tell us, how long have you been in this music industry?
Like I've been doing music ever since I was in Form 2.
Okay.
Form 2 Emosia Tunya. And then it's funny how we started doing music because me and my friends sometimes sasibaleke esikolo. Mina Bankama lesson. I used to stay with my father. You know, sibaleke ngale washi. My late friend Washi, rest in peace to him. You know, he's the one who introduced us to music because he by that time he owned a laptop, so we could bunk lesson from school. We go by my crib. And then we start recording using our earphones, you know, so that's how I started doing music. So it's more than 8 years, you know, I've been doing this. Like some of my friends, they have quit it, but I'm still on it.
All right, that's actually a great one because from what you said, I believe that he's someone who is great and he's someone who doesn't give up easily because a music thing is not something that you can grow easily. Boom, you're now a superstar or a superman.
Yeah.
It's not easy. I understand you because I also sing.
Yeah.
So I understand you. For you to get a one follower, you feel like you've achieved when you are growing. But thank God you didn't give up. Yes. So I would love to pop up the next question that which was your first hit song? And what inspired you to do that song? Message elengoma yankona nalo uyifila ngani when this was the first hit song. I know that you are now 8 years old doing the music.
Yes.
But ngifuna ukuzwa ingoma waqala wathi I think engomeni zami zonke I think this is my first hit song. And message behind that song yini?
Yeah, yazi tatewethu ngizakubeka kanje so. Uyabona mina ingoma zami mangizenza ngizenza ngokulandela even amabizo azo ngizenza ngokulandelana kwazo. So ngile ngoma yami eyaqala ukuduma ukuthi ngulala ngoxolo.
All right.
Okay, ngangiyekho ngedwa though, ngani lo mfana moto ngiyanje.
All right.
It was a dedication to our late friend who was shot in South Africa.
Oh, sorry.
So we did the song here in Victoria Falls. It was recorded by Tony Witness. Okay. Himself is a producer, if you don't know. So he was the one who recorded the song, and then him and his team, he official video for Tjengo.
All right, guys. Let's get to it. Ekaya Kumushandat.
Yes. Ekaya.
My guy, may you tell us more about this song? What inspired you to do the Ekaya song?
Tatewethu. Mina vele ngumuntu okhulile ekhaya.
All right.
Like njengoba njilo uthi mina ngikhulele eJambesi. Ingoma leyana it means a lot to me, to everyone in Victoria Falls. La wasemakhaya.
All right.
You know, the reason why I did that song, I wanted to take people back to their roots. Because ungakhangela kade abantu abaningi, to be honest with you. Abasathanda ukuhamba ekhaya.
Sebekhohla lapha bavele khona.
Ngiyakutshela ngomlimo. Do you know that ngoDecember lodlule abantu abaningi bahambe ekhaya because of ekhaya?
All right.
Just to do ama-reels.
That's a big one.
Ukhulu okuzayo siswakhe.
All right. Moyo, when you do hip hop, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
So what happened with Ekaya?
Okay, I want to be honest with you.
All right.
You know, as an artist, I'm not just singing, you know. I'm also a teacher.
All right. That's a powerful one.
A lot of people nowadays, especially old people, like even me, myself, I can't allow my son, Emmanuel, to listen to some hip-hop music. honestly, people they don't listen to that.
All right.
So the reason why I had to change my genre is because the music that I'm doing is not mine. It's for people.
All right.
Yes.
All right.
It's something that is going to teach someone about life or educate the kids. Even if ungahambe esitradini lapha uyananzelela ukuthi abantwana abancane mina ngikhulele ekhaya smoke it. I'm telling you. So I'm also a teacher. Njengo-Aras Band Mose ngala, I'm also a teacher.
Junior Aras Band.
Yes.
All
Yes.
right.
So the shifting, the beat, you know, it was a beat that anyone can listen. Even my mother, my grandmother,
All
you
right.
know, can listen to that song. But if I may tell you, okay, let's leave it like that. Ngingakhuluma ibizo lengoma, okay.
Alright.
But ezinye ingoma lapha eziyenzwakala lapha abalutshwana abazilalela because there is no message.
So wena uthini ngabantu laba abafuna abayeyisayo, because in each and everything you do, vele it's an obvious case, guys. Uyathola abasolayo, uyathola laba abakuphakamiselayo. So what do you say? I want you to first look at the negative part. Ukuthi abantu laba abakusolayo, what do you say, and have you ever met those situations, and how do you feel about that?
You know, I want to be honest with you. Uyathola umuntu ecriticize mina njengami like me esithi I used the AI. And
So
but
sorry.
AI was not made for Mose. So if I used AI on that song, that means I'm the coolest producer.
Okay.
Yes. Because there are too many producers here in Victoria Falls. Why can't they produce something like okay, engcono? Okay, I have a beat on my phone for a car. I can give someone to try that with AI. Okay, let's see if can they manage to do the same vision. Okay, okay. I want to open your mind, like open your mind and eyes. A lot of people about the AI. One, I'm an artist, producers. Why? Because they envy me.
That's ubuhlungu.
You understand?
Yes.
We've been doing music for a lot. You know, like we have a lot of music, but some other rappers, artists here, they have their songs, but it's not coming out. But it's not their fault also. God, this time is the best. I've been crying for a lot. You know,
Amen
like
for that.
I've been crying, you know, like begging other artists to perform, just to perform. And they didn't recognize me. But now I have a hit song.
That's a powerful one.
Do you know I didn't promote my song? It did promote itself. Ngizwa abantu abaningi bethi umuzi ingoma lana wancedwa uMake Mtasa ukuthi Ploy. No. Make Mtasa and that guy ngabantu engangisebenza lapho. But they were the one abandingayo mina. It was a Sunday. Bandinga babuye endlini. Bantwana nomadam wami, and then bathi sifuka uncedisa music. So, but we had some problems. Then i-friendship yethu ayikhatha.
All right.
Yabona? So, angifuna ukutshela manje even uNasty C, ama-allegations are like this, they are there. Uzothiwa Nasty C watshontsha ingoma. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, ngingakawubona konke. Athiwa ingoma le yayibhalwe mbani, but Nasty C wayitshontsha. So, mina akungizondisi. Athi ngikhuleka ukuthi ngabe bakhuluma kakhulu because even the Bible says, the more they mock you, the more God uplift you.
Oh yes.
I'm the first artist to be booked here in Victoria Falls.
Okay.
Out of Victoria Falls, I had a show in Wange. I charged them 250. Okay? That was big to me. That was very big. And then whoever is saying it's AI, and let them try to produce something like that or better song like that. Because my song is trending, especially in Zimbabwe. On audio mark, it's 95%.
Yes.
People like Manine commented on my song. They never criticized me. But here in Victoria Falls, other rappers, you know, vocalists start saying that thing. Instead of Bebos, Mose, how did you do it? Okay, well, how did you come up with this song? No. Music is into me, my see. And then mina ngiyazibhalela ingoma zami.
All right.
No one is helping me to write songs. I don't buy songs. I personally write my songs. Okay?
So go to Badingo Muteta.
Normally, a day, if I can tell you, I can write something like 4 or 3 songs.
Okay.
Yes.
Within a day?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a car instrumental. And I'm open. Like right now, there's someone, we are working on a remix with this Nigerian guy. Why? Because here in Victoria Falls, I'm afraid to work with these artists because they criticize me, right? And then I don't find it in a good way because we have to be lifting each other.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay, can you imagine if Sasa Mnangapumele with this music, I make money. Do you think I can come back and do a song with someone who is saying I was using AI trying to mock me or make fun of my pain?
No.
I've been through a lot in this music industry, my see. So I know really. That's why I'm telling Munduti since I pray on my own.
Alright.
Because you don't need to trust them, man.
Right.
They're fake.
As you all heard, guys, stop criticizing others. Instead, you should learn from them. Then how about Tina Banyesukutanda, who supports you, who love your music? What's the message would you love to give to us?
You know, I want to tell you something. A lot of people support me, and I'm so grateful with that.
Thank you.
Very grateful. I'm nothing without them.
Oh, yes.
Because those who are hating are few than those who are laughing. The music.
Yes.
They can say whatever they can say. But when I drop the music video, they're going to be shocked.
Okay.
Yeah, because in Bonilla and then they invite me to special restaurant here in Victoria Falls. Act like they were taking information, okay?
Yes.
Okay, they were taking information like, Muzi, we invite you in this kind of a place, want to help you in this way. But I want a coach place to me. I have a sense of feeling, you know?
Right.
Like, I noticed with these people, some they kiss and tell, okay?
All right.
Yes, they kiss and tell. And this other guy, you met me because of my song. Was on hit. Then you started looking for me, and then you don't even know how did I record the song. You don't even know about my music. How do I pay the producers? How do I come up with the lyrics? But you come up with Facebook, and then you say I use AI. It's not good.
All right.
But those who are supporting me, I wish them best in their life.
Right.
Because
it means a lot.
I'm a star now.
Yeah,
because
you are.
Of them.
You are.
Yes.
You are. Because of us.
Yes.
I also support you.
Yes.
Because of us. Okay, so Gaia, we can't wait for the video. We want to know because we don't criticize. We love what's lovable, you know. So we want to tell you
Okay. I want to make a promise. As my super fan, okay? I'm going to pay your money. Like a transfer.
For transport.
Transport. I mean.
Oh yes, thank you.
And then the video is coming next month.
All right.
Yeah. And
so you tell her
Jambes. Like
so we are going to Jambes.
Yes, Jambes.
All right.
All right. Yes. And I'm going to use Brooklyn. Yes. Brooklyn, this guy from
Blawayo. I know the guy.
So I've been watching his videos. His quality is
yes,
top,
he's the best.
You know?
He's the
so
best.
That's the reason why I'm going to use him to shoot my music video for a car.
All right. So I want you to prove people wrong. So I'm going to chat with freestyle ekai. You know, we want to feel that. It's your thing. You don't use other apps to edit your thing. It's your thing. Like it runs in the blood.
Yeah. I can actually do that. You know.
Do the freestyle.
Mina ngikhulele ekhaya ngale kwezintaba imbuzi zikhona ekhaya inkomo zicwela isibaya ukhulu khona ekhaya ngisho wami ubaba ugogo ukhona uphekela abantwana ngikhuliswe ngethanda ijodo ngelomncane.
Okunalokho please like, comment and subscribe, you know.
Mina ngikhulele ekhaya ngale kwezintaba imbuzi